country people them for La République du Cameroon, country people them for northern region of Cameroon, and country people them for southern region of Cameroon. Today, Namola Alex Ndiveli Singer don't can talk again. And I want make every person pay attention and make your judgment at the end. In this, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Today, I want to talk much about the Southwest Province and the Northwest Province. And no person no be better place for talk about the Northwest region and the Southwest region. Because my blood flow from Boya to Bali Nyonga, and no be talk say I did just talk for mouth. Now real blood. The closest person for my life will be my mom. Then I get my dad to come up for Bonalionga for Boya. I grow for Boya from nursery school, St. Pius schools, the same Moliko. Then I can go again for CPC Bali, where I spend a lot of time too for Bamenda. I know Bamenda fine. So, talking about this struggle, I want to start with something where it happen inside we house, within we as children and my mom. When they used to cook for house every time, they cook okra. So one man be there we not like okra because it is draw. And that person be na me. So inside our house we get difference. When they cook okra, some man they no one choppy okra. So we get difference inside our house. You know me so we hate each other. Like family. We love each other. But some man no like okra. We be na me. So each time, when my mom cook okra for house, they must cook something else for me. Wait till that one be bring am for house now. Wait till unity because all man get something for chop. But however, we be get difference. Say all we no fit chop one chop. And I be surprised sometimes when I visit my other relative them for other part, whether na here on the waiting. Then too they be no say I no chop, I need to chop okra. So then to go cook some other thing where my mom be don't tell them. And it bring unity for family. So this Mr. B.I. idea why they talk today, where every time people they say will be one or one and indivisible. Britain not be one and indivisible. They not be one. America not be one. Belgium not be one. So Mona leave that idea say for talk say people they be one. Mean say, oh, we'll be one. When I leave that con man idea, that's karma, the idea about being one. The point why I want to bring and I say, at the end of the day, if we not declare, so we be one, or be one, or not be one, not be mock, not be for talk for mouth. People then for United Kingdom, they be one for UK because they allow Scottish people, they may they do their own thing. They allow people them for Wales. They allow people them for Northern Ireland. And they allow Wales, Northern Ireland, Scotland and whatever. All them they do their own thing. But now one country. So man know the talk say, make you not chop kwakoko or fufu corn because we'll be one. So that's mistake what they make. Because now always calmer their kind talk than that. The important point what I make and today and say, a lot of things that only happen for the fight. And we pretend, as I talk, I be picking for Northwest and I be picking for Southwest. And I come up for two important tribes then for Southern Cameroon. Bali, a top tribe. Bakwere, another top tribe. Very important. The first airport for Northwest region. Biden Apoeti, Bali, Nyonga, because when Aijo, the land for there, you go meet up the most important person for Northwest Province, the fount of Bali, who happen to be my great-grand-uncle. Go the same again too for Boya. I have that the same power. some people they say will be one. They go kidnap, chief them for Fako. Chief the one not even know their name. The one born me all we for man Bamenda will know for Angwafo. We not need to go catch it. Because now our own countryman. Any say una go una the praise for Angwafo in name for America, if una king. Oh, Biaka meet up is sacred. All these things. If una say will be one. I don't draw a conclusion today say will not be one. I don't watch with an attitude. My brother, they not be all una. Some of una for Northwest. Una attitude be so bad. When I mean so bad, una go adopt some chief them more than 7. I know I even hear their name for my life set. But the people them, the phone and go for them. Where it be number 1 for CPDM. CNUC so the day for Aijo. Una the one destroy. Una know what you mean by civil war. Civil war not be tribal war. I don't talk long ago. Say the fight, not be fight against La Republique. Now fight for annexation of Fako people then. Like it or not, I'm an intelligent man. I've noticed it. I've tried to work with both sides. I've tried so that we should put an equitable field, equality. When una be go for some una concrete for Nigeria, una come out with the names them for the 90% between a Northwesterner, 10% Southwesterner. When I make all Southwest conference for bring Southwesterner them for the struggle, una insult me, una send people that may they go assassinate me for Belgium. I know I ever talk about them. And the person become confess for me. A one and I name that. Una send person may assassinate me for Belgium because I make all Southwest conference. But una get right for who una meeting them. Talk whatever una want. I respect Northwest, Southwest, and my brother them. But if we want to do another colonization, the same thing way La Republique do for we, it no go work. I don't give una a long time. When una be include my name one ever attend una meeting for una list or whatever appointments, I don't know what it mean. Una no ever contact me. I don't watch una careful. And also una be list of scammers. Una hijack the consortium where it be run by a Southwesterner, Agbobala. Una hijack them. Una take them for una own mission. Una bring in a new power funcher where they're in Chanman, where na Milan. What una bring it in now? When you don't go sell Seseseko another Southwest man, una say no, it be Fumba. Power funcher no be in Chanman. If una allow person may represent una forget it whether it be Chang or it be Bamon. It be Bamon, Milan and Northwesterner. Anytime una make error, una come there. Why una need the why una need to go arrest for Nangwafo? The person wey the Prime Minister for Cameroon, Prime Minister na big job. Na Young Philemon. Why una need to go arrest him? The second big Anglophone job na Tanganji. Why una need to go arrest him? Anytime you dey for Ayaba, you dey for there, the drink or una distribute money. I know. Una need to touch them because they take money give una. This fight na about who gain. I know a lot of things. I don't want to put people their personal life in jeopardy because people they use this struggle. Use this struggle. Why people they die for Cameroon? I don't want ever talk this thing. I don't always keep quiet. So when they fake asylum, when they don't care about the struggle, it bother me. And if you don't want to be for the struggle, do your asylum quietly. Quietly. Don't spoil and make people to die for nothing. Other people they collect money, I know. The other day, for Boya, una kill a Bali man. Una expect that Bali man, may family be happy. Say Amber boys. No person, no get monopoly over violence. I don't give una a long time, Northwest and Southwest, like my brother. But I don't see say each time, instead of go fight Masabia, una the target na other people them for Fako. Fako people they lazy. Yes, if some man lazy, why you they leave you go do what you want to do? How many times when I don't vote Molan Joel Litumbe, the party for Northwest? How many times? Una don't ever vote Molan Jolly together. Una only use it, old man, oh Molan Jolly don't be for fight. Una vote the party. Una vote now only SDF. Una get one member of parliament when a Southwestern away there for Northwest. If we be one. The people of Southwest have voted Paul Bamileke when I was a child in Tiko as Tiko mayor. They have voted SDF. They have voted UNDP. They have voted CPDM. Different party where it tell you say the people they be liberal. They welcome any person. So sometimes when they abuse people their hospitality. As a talk, I be person for Balinyonga and Boya, Bonalionga. And that's why they talk on that basis. And they support any person. But if I want to be genuinely for fight, and I want to tell una today, plain and open, I don't give una a lot of time, although I know they for una government. I want to tell una today, what I be as an individual, Alex Ntibe Lisinge, Galiga, Fonyonga, that's me, Guanula. I want to tell una today the love is over. That's my personal position. I will never ever work with you guys again. Me. And I will stand together with the people who share my view of equality, the people who want us to change Cameroon for a better Cameroon, not for eccentric interest, personal interest. That's not my view. Some of una, if una know my background, I didn't fight that for any position. I be close to Pobia, find people that they know me. Since I'm close to Pobia they like uncool for me. But I don't always deny anything for it. I be fighting for changes, good roads, good hospital, transparency in government, separation of power. That's what I'm fighting for. I didn't fight for position. I don't need anything in that country. I am closer to those people who run that country. But I am a man of conviction. I want change. So when I go the seat, principal, Monono, Chojana, when I catch them, some people don't say, oh, they need to support the revolution. Now all man must support the revolution. 30 years ago when I be the fight for independence, most of una 90% una be there against. Some people they don't send message every Monday against the revolution, they'll kill it. 30 years ago I be kill una. I be threatening una. No, I convince una. Some of una check say the revolution started over 1 year ago. No, we don't need preach, work up for Cow Street. I don't know whether Pans is still there alive again. For Cow Street, different place, Pandanga, John Fundi, Pamuna, Pafoncha. We don't spend time more than 30 years to talk for people then. Go back for Yaoundé Mwakele, we convince people then. This teachers strike and what? Teachers strike na teachers strike. Mancho BBC not be being a teacher. Sometimes anything where it happen for the world, where you don't fight for a long time. So one event they happen, where it spur all that thing, revolution start. You get, I'm sure most of you will do history. The causes and the cause and the immediate cause of a revolution. It don't mean say because a 19-year-old Pekin, Gavarino Principe, because shoot Archduke Ferdinand. It don't mean say that it caused First World War. This Arab Spring one stand. Now one person from Tunisia born himself, so they move Gaddafi for power. It don't mean say that he started. Problem be done the day. So all this fight now the thing was done they do one long ago. And my position now I say, no man, no get monopoly for violence. No man. Some people then they catch their mommy put out prison for Cameroon, they shout. If any man threaten any my family, we too know who some people their family there. No man, how many of you don't spend 30 years of your life? Some of you now they just fight the fight, get una asylum, una shidon, una quiet. People they don't devote their life. Fight for change of Cameroon. I can't spoil them for individual interests. When people don't want to talk, no, we are one, we are one. We are one. When we have differences, we sit down and talk. When we have all Anglophone conference, 1 and 2, it was not we are one with mouth. People met. They meet for Boya, they meet for Bamenda, they talk way to one. Now you people just sit and be collecting money, go fund me, and you sit on the social media, which is easier. When I was fighting this fight, how many years ago, there was no social media. And today, I tell you now, I will limit my fight for FACO and Bali Nyonga, any man go fight for your own area. If any man come for area, we go fight each other. All man fi sponsor anti-gang. All man fi get militia. Because this thing not be big for fight innocent women and picking them, civilian, kill them, kidnap them for ransom. When you want to, oh, people them for FACO, they never respect ghost town. So what? Now all man must fight. When I don't go read revolution them, read all revolution them for the world. Chastel be getting about some 1,000 people then they fight. You know they fight na civilian then. If you want to fight, go fight government. So now, we don't suspend any action against La Republic. The action will be against we first. We fight ourselves first. Then when we don't show our last blood before we go fight La Republic. Because this is absolutely nonsense. When people don't want to talk now, we form government, we put puppet them for the Southwestern and them idiot. We take the thing. We take the person not talk. When you write for social media, we can't insult. I know how to insult people too. They born me for Cameroon. I play football for DOS. I know how to insult. Some of them come for legal mind. They born me for legal mind. They born me for legal mind. I play football for street for Cameroon. From Boya to Bamenda. So forget about legal mind. We don't have for legal mind yet. If not legal mind, they will now nobody go to kidnap people then. Ask money. Say, oh, we go judge them for court. Which court? If we not already start be bad than dictator Pobia, we not expect so we go get a better life. Under people who don't know their left and right. I'm sick of that. And from today, I've ceased to work with my brothers from Northwest region. Although I've never been in your government or what. But when I mean cease, I still have my family and friends there. I will maintain it. And these clothes that I've been putting, you will never see me putting this thing anymore. Until you guys change that your intolerant character. Because you're intolerant, you have no respect for other people. It's only your opinion. When SDF was formed in Bamenda, Alaji Tita from my mom's village, from Mukon, was murdered because he was not an SDF when he was created. They say you people, you crown Mr. Biafon of funds. You wanted to kill the proprietor of Nacho Comprehensive College because it was not SDF. Progressive Modern Furniture, a host of order. And I'm sick of all this. Enough is enough. Mola Alex Singer for the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Thank you very much.